next question is, what is the first step to buying a home? Well, as a realtor, I gotta say that the first step to buying a home is definitely not speak to a realtor. I've had it happen so many times where someone comes up to me and they go, hey, I'm ready for this house. I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, well, I know you're a realtor. I want to work with you. I've already picked out a house on Zillow. It'll be super easy for you. And I'm like, oh, okay, hold on. Were you buying cash? Which is a legit question. I have a lot of cash buyers. They go, no, I'm not buying cash. I'm like, well, did you get approved for a mortgage? They go, oh, well, no, not yet. Can I start with you? A real estate agent does not do mortgages. If you need a loan and you're going to buy a house, there's two people that you talk to. You talk to a loan officer, either at a bank or another lending company, and then once you get approved for a loan, you can take that money you're approved for and then go to the real estate agent and say, hey, this is what I'm approved for. Can you help me find a house in this price range? Excellent. I've had it happen so many times where they come up to me, they're not pre-approved. They found the house, but they're not pre-approved. They talk to the lender, and what happens is, even if they've gone and physically looked at the house, fell in love with it, if the lender tells them that they don't qualify for that amount, they're devastated, and then every house that they look at afterwards just doesn't compare, and it just gets people really discouraged. So this will be a really quick one. The first step to buying a home is talking to a lender, finding out what you're pre-approved for, and then getting a pre-approval letter and taking that to the realtor to say, hey, this is what my price range is. Can you help me find a place? That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.